this is Sonia from My Happy Space. Welcome back at my channel. Today is new memory verse release day. We are going to concentrate on the theme Look to Him. And obviously, when we look to God, that is the best. We have the well-known verse, says Psalm 121 verse 1 to 2, I lift my eyes to the hills. Then we have 2 Chronicles 20 verse 12 and the end of verse 12. That has been such a beautiful verse, a reminder. We'll dig a little bit deeper into it at the week we're doing it. It says, we do not know what to do, but our eyes are on you. And I think it's one of the kings of Israel. I can't remember if it's Hezekiah or somebody else, but when an army came against him, that is what he said to God. We do not know what to do, but our eyes are on you. And I've said that so many times in my life. And then Psalm 34 verse 5, those who look to him are radiant and their faces shall never be ashamed. I love that. The verse before that is, I sought you. I was thinking of including it also, but then I just thought, let's just concentrate on that. When we look to God, our faces are radiant and we will never be ashamed. And Micah 7 verse 7 is beautiful. But as for me, I will look to the Lord. I will wait for the Lord of my salvation. My God will hear me. So I hope it's 4 verses you'll find useful. And then obviously we have our meditation sheet, which I'm looking forward to. We can dig deeper into the verses each week. And then I have already set up everything in my book. So I've just put my 4 verses. I usually printed it twice, put my 4 verses in, decorated it a little bit, and put my practice sheets and my meditation sheets 4 times, obviously, because we've got 4 verses. So we have a rest week this coming week, and we only will start memorizing these verses on the 15th of September. So all the details is linked below. If you haven't picked up your memory verse box, which is a free printable with the free practice sheets, which is included, do so. Make yourself a little box and pick up the memory verses if you feel like it, and then start memorizing scripture with us. You must have a great week. God bless. Bye-bye.